Hello and welcome to Ingenjör4.0. Here you will find more than 40 upskilling modules within 15 learning areas, building your competence and skills within future industry, but also your and your company's competitiveness.
Hi, I'm an AI-generated voice who will guide you through 4 easy steps to get started with your upskilling journey. Start by visiting our website. Here you find everything you need to know about Ingenjör 4.0. Step 1. Find your future skills. We offer learning modules within 15 learning areas, corresponding to identified technology needs, and validated by manufacturing industry. The learning modules are continuously updated to meet evolving industry needs and the latest research findings. Find your future skills by learning area or view all learning modules. You can filter modules based on starting date, status, or search by keywords. Step 2. Sign up. When you have found your future skills, it's time to register your interest. You do that by filling in the sign-up form. First, select the modules you are interested in by checking the boxes next to the module. Fill in the sign-up form with your data. Once your application has been submitted, you will receive an immediate acknowledgement of receipt. Step 3. Confirm and pay. When we've handled your registration, we will reach out to you again by email. You will then have to confirm your registration by answering the email and provide your payment information. You can pay by credit card or invoice. Step 4. Start your learning journey. You are now all set to go. You will get all the information you need by email. When the module starts, all your learning information will be available on the Collegial learning platform.
That's it. Don't hesitate to contact us. We are looking forward to see you as an Ingenjör 4.0 learner.